This eggless chocolate fudgy brownie dessert is easily made in the microwave with thick caramel, lashings of cream and a delicious chocolate sauce. Your only problem is whether you're going to share it. Start off by making the brownie. You need 60 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of butter, which I've cut into cubes so that it melts quicker. Pop this in the microwave for 20 seconds. You can see it started to melt, so give it a quick stir. Oh, just look at that delicious chocolate and butter. And now pop it back in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Repeat until all your chocolate and butter is melted into a smooth sauce. And now add 3 flat tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar. And all the ingredients and the measurements are in the description down below. Sift in the icing sugar to get rid of any lumps and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now sift in 9 tablespoons or 70 grams of plain all-purpose flour or Maida. Now add 60 millilitres of milk. I'm using cow's milk, but you can use whatever milk you prefer. Whisk this all together. You need to whisk it really well to get rid of all of those lumpy bits. Scrape round the bowl and give it a really good whisk. This is the sort of consistency you're looking for, just about thick enough to stay on the whisk. Ooh, I'm going to have to try a bit of this. Delicious. Now take an old takeaway tub out of that really annoying Tupperware cupboard that everyone's got, where everything falls out, and line it with baking paper or butter paper or greaseproof paper. Spread your chocolate mixture nice and smooth and evenly. Then we're going to add some white chocolate just to make it as chocolatey as we possibly can. Pop this into the microwave for just 1 minute, and when it comes out, to check if it's cooked, insert a knife, and if it comes out more or less dry, then the batter's cooked. If it's not quite cooked, pop it in for another 10 or 20 seconds. At this point you could just cut up your brownie and eat it. But for this indulgent brownie dessert, we're cutting out a shape and we're going to pop a layer of the brownie into the bottom of a wine glass. Next we're making our caramel sauce and simply pour 1 can of condensed milk into a microwavable bowl. Cover it with cling film and leave a little hole for the steam to escape. Pop the bowl into the microwave on a medium heat for 1 minute, then remove some of the cling film, be careful the steam doesn't burn you, whisk or stir, cover again leaving a little hole, and pop it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and keep repeating until you've got a nice, thick, delicious sauce. Oh, just look at that. Could eat it on its own. Add another layer of chocolate brownie and another spoonful of delicious caramel sauce. Next, add 200 millilitres of double or whipping cream into a cold bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you need to now whisk this so that it forms some lovely soft peaks. This hand whisk is going to take me too long, so I'm going to use an electric hand whisk. This will take a couple of minutes. Just look at that, it's starting to thicken already. Make sure you stop before you think it's ready, otherwise you could over-whisk this. To this you need to add 4 flat tablespoons of powdered icing sugar. Fold this into the mixture so that you don't lose all the lovely air that you've created by whisking it. Dollop a load of the Chantilly Cream all over that thick caramel. Go on, treat yourself. The final stage is making the milk chocolate sauce. Add 100 ml of double cream to a bowl, and to this add 100 grams of milk chocolate chunks. Pop this into the microwave for 30 seconds, then give it a stir, and if you need to, pop it in for another 30 seconds just to melt that chocolate down. Keep stirring, do be patient with this, it will all melt and come together. But if you find you're getting some lumpy bits, then grab a whisk. This will really help to break down those lumps and add lots of lovely air bubbles to your sauce. Oh, just look at that. If you do want your sauce a bit thicker, then put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, but I can't wait. I'm pouring mine all into my delicious dessert, and I've just got to give it a try. Now that tastes cracking. If you've enjoyed my video, please support me by subscribing, and you can watch more of my videos right here, right now.